Hello family, greetings to you all. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your brother Chief Lamashawiyapasiwulana, also known as Prince Ayoko, sending my peaceful and warmly greetings to you all wherever you are. How are you doing and how is your day going? I hope and pray that you're having a very wonderful day wherever you are. Okay, so family, in today's video, I'm just gonna take you through a tour at Queen's Guest House for you to see exactly how far we've reached with regards to the finishing. So talking about the finishing, we are very busy working on the clock, to finish so that our guests will start to come to Queen's Guest House to stay or to spend their time whenever they are here. So keep watching and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification so that you always get notified when I post new videos. Share my contents with your families and friends and give my videos a thumbs up. Thank you all for coming to watch. Keep watching. I love you all. I have decided to use made in Ghana beds for all the guest rooms. The reason why I did this is because I always prefer what we made here in Ghana. Using made in Ghana products is one of the best ideas that I have. My reason is that we have to promote black owned businesses and we have to support black owned businesses. Our craftsmen are doing very well. I'm talking about our carpenters, our plumbers, our masons, our electricians, our painters, our tilers, and all these people who are craftsmen in Ghana. They are doing very well. So we have to always support them with what they do. We don't have to be using imported items just because they are imported. Whatever can be imported, the majority of them can be made here in Ghana. So it's good. It's high time for us to start promoting and supporting black owned businesses. This bed you've seen in this video is made in Ghana. It's made in Tamale, Ghana. And the guy has did a very professional job. The guy has did a very good job for me. And I appreciate him so much for doing this great job for me. So yeah, that's exactly what it is. It's a very nice bed that he did. And I appreciate him, like I said, I appreciate him so much for doing this great job. So I'm gonna take you through for you to see all the beds that I made for the guest rooms. So please keep watching. So very soon, Queen's Guest House is gonna open to the public. Queen's Guest House will be open to the public to come and enjoy and have a good time. Everything is coming along very, very nicely and very beautiful. Yeah, all the people who have worked here has did a very, very marvelous job, and I appreciate him. I appreciate them so much for the good job they did here. Talking about the tilers, the electricians, the carpenters, the plumbers, the painters, everyone who worked here, including the masons and everybody, they did a very, very fantastic job, and I always appreciate what they do, and I'll keep supporting their businesses. Yeah, so work is going on and everything is fine. Actually, the beds is two different types of bed. This one is different from the other ones that I have in the guest rooms, and they are all made in Ghana. Yeah, with by two different carpenters. They are all made in Ghana by two different carpenters. Because you know what, everybody has to get a share of the work. As long as they are doing good job, they all have to get a share of the work. So far so good. Things is coming along very nicely. So far I've been able to put in place the majority of the items that we're supposed to use for the guest rooms for the finishing. So things is coming along pretty nice and beautiful. I'm so happy that everything is coming along this way, and I'm so happy and glad for the progress. So far, so good. Everything is nice. The washrooms is completed, and it looks very nice and beautiful. Yeah, so these are the washrooms. It's completed, and it looks so nice and beautiful. I've also decided to use different designs of tiles. I'm talking about the floor tiles, the ceramic floor tiles. I've also decided to use different floor tiles for the guest rooms, and some of them have same colors. Yeah, the reason is that that's what I decided to do, and I think I like what I did. So that is Queen's Guest House tour. I'm just taking you through the guest rooms for you to see how we are doing. We are coming out with the finishing. The finishing is one of the most important parts in building. So when you are building, you have to always focus on the finishing. The finishing part is, like I said, is what makes whatever you are doing perfect. So we have to always make sure that we have a very good finishing. That is the most important part in building. And so far, so good. Thank God everything has come along very nice, and it's still going very well. The furnitures, I'm talking about the sofas, as well as the table and chairs for these guest rooms. They are still making it, so as well as the wardrobe. So very soon it's gonna come. Then we'll just keep them here. So yeah, everything is nice and beautiful. Yeah, so talking about the finishing, talking about the finishing, I think this is another made in Ghana two-in-one sofa. Very nicely designed and it's very soft. Yeah, so when my guests are here, they can sit comfortably on the sofa, you know, enjoy their time and do whatever they want to do here, just chill and have a good time. So this sofa is also another made in Ghana sofa. It's made right here in Tamale. And this bed is another bed that is made here in Tamale by my carpenter. All the carpenters who has worked on this project has did a very marvelous job. And like I always say, I appreciate them so much for the job well done. They have did a very marvelous job and I appreciate them for that. Yeah, so we don't want uh, the sofas to get dusty or to get dirty before we people start to come here to book for their rooms. So because of that, we've decided to use um, some plastic to cover it up so that it wouldn't get dirty. A lot of people has been waiting for me to finish this guest house so they will start booking their rooms. That is exactly what we are doing. Very soon, Queen's Guest House is going to be open for the public. It's going to be open for people from all walks in life. Wherever you come from, wherever you are invited to come when Queen's Guest House is officially open. So yeah, so far so good. I always say I'm so proud and happy to have this accomplished. And people always ask that, why are you so proud of what you've did? Yes, I'm very proud of what I've did because it took me a lot of struggle to finish this. But now I can see the reason why I've been working so hard. The results has proven what I did. And I'm so glad about that. Yeah, we got almost all the refrigerators. It's just left with, I think that is some four refrigerators for us to complete getting the refrigerators for all the guest rooms. So actually we have 11 guest rooms here at Queen's Guest House. 11 good, beautiful guest rooms at Queen's Guest House. And all of them will be occupied by people when it's finished. So whoever is traveling to Tamale, just look out for Queen's Guest House. It's very beautiful. The environment is very serene and very calm. And there is plants in the compound. There's air, natural air coming in the compound, just blowing in the compound, and all the rooms is very nice, well furnished, and there will be there's already air conditioners in all the rooms, so I don't think people will lack anything when they come. The washrooms is also very beautiful. We've got very beautiful dressing mirrors, for the washrooms that is close to the hand washing basins. We got very nice urinal pots, very nice WCs, as you can see, very, very beautiful WCs. And the wall tiles, and both the wall tiles as well as the floor tiles to the bathrooms is very, very perfectly matched. It's very beautiful, and you know what, and inviting. So Queen's Guest House will be the place to be whenever people visit Tamale, especially, most especially to people who has been watching this on my channel. And I also want to say a very big thank you to each and everyone who has been following me on this my beautiful Queen's Guest House journey for a long time. I appreciate you all for your time you used to watch, for your ideas, for your support and everything. I appreciate you so much. God bless you all. Alright, so family, this is where I'm gonna end Queen's Guest House tour. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for always, supporting my channel. I wish you all the best. I pray that the Almighty God, the Almighty Allah, and our ancestors will continue to guide us, bless us, and grant us abundance of good health, wisdom, knowledge, patience, wealth, and above all, I pray that you all have what you want in life. You all have what you pray to have in life. Enjoy the rest of your day. Have a wonderful week, and I wish and pray the best for you all. Please keep supporting this channel. We are going, and we will keep going. United we stand, divided we fall. Thank you all for your time. Peace and blessings. One love.